All right, guys, welcome back. And then I want us to look at this pair together. Bitcoin has been on a very down move for a very long time, and a lot of people have lost a lot of money on this trade since 2021 August. It has been on a down move, and there have been hopes crashed. People have lost money. People are still expecting and holding their own crypto, waiting for the right time to sell. All right, so I would like to, share my idea about this with us about the next move of crypto of this Bitcoin. If you can see my chart here, I marked out points here. From my own perspective, I think this particular Bitcoin is still going down, right? Still having a down move. I know it's hit a very strong zone here for retail traders, right? It hit a strong zone here and then it's made that push back to that upside. And we expect it to maybe come back, test this zone, and then go back up. But I think it's going to break this zone. Okay. I think it's going to break the current zone that we saw it tested here. And I think it's going to come down more. Why do I say that? See, each time market moves in levels. And this trade is not completed the levels yet, right? So we can see that this market is just on one level, on the second level, and then we're supposed to have a 3 level 4 here. Right, so basically I think this is one level altogether, right? This is the second level, this is the third level, right? If you what I'm saying is foreign to you, we'll have a link below that particular video. You can go take up some free courses. Of course, you proceed to our professional trading course to be able to understand the details of why I say market moves in levels and understand what levels means, right? For now, I'll just be keeping it on this zone. I believe students watching this already understand what I'm saying. Okay, so if we have this level 1 here, level 2 here, and level 3 on this Bitcoin, I will expect this trade to, and level 3 is really longer than those 2 levels. So we can have this Bitcoin nose dive to somewhere $10,000, $9,000 on that range, right, for a long time. So I don't think Bitcoin is ready for this particular sell, considering it has broken so many zones. It shouldn't break, all right? Broken this zone. Instead, this one, it's low, it's just not going anywhere. And we're supposed to have the market go for the next level to the downside. So for me, I think Bitcoin is still on its way down. So if you're going to be buying, you're going to be very conservative, right? So it doesn't mean you can, as a short-term retail trader, you cannot find opportunities to buy. You can always buy at some point, but we encourage you to invest more in Bitcoin and to trade, right? So you can trade, but it's more profitable to invest and have peace of mind because of the volatile nature of the currency. So if we're having this to the downside here, the next place is, I said, is 10,700 or $9,000 on that range, right? It's a zone, so you can hit anywhere on that range before we can start expecting market to give us something very tangible to move on the upside. This can happen before the end of the year. It can happen before we start getting the structures right. Usually, Bitcoin repeats its by December we'll see it very low. By January we'll see it push so much high. So maybe before the end of this year we'll have this wrap up with this particular move down to the downside, right? So I expect this to move this way. All right. Okay, so looking at the Ethereum USD, we can see that it's also doing similar thing. Okay, there's something very similar here. If we're having this at this price now, this is $1,639 for Ethereum, we expect Ethereum to come down to this zone again in $935, and of course, considering the Bitcoin direction, which is a strong one when it comes to cryptocurrencies. So we also expect it to dive down to like a $400 Ethereum meaning that cryptos are still on a down move for now. So anticipating to buy will be like, taking more risk because you can't really see a trade. If you also see this, I made mention of levels because you see that they are doing corresponding levels here, right? You can see that they're doing corresponding levels here. All right, so you see that this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Okay, so for this, I expect this to, rise to somewhere at this point or hit this low here. Might not get out to that because of the less volatility on the buy direction and higher on the sell direction. So we can have this trade just move a bit up just to complete the 3-level rise here. Okay, and we'll also now have the market go down to this zone. Okay, so by coming down, we're expected to break this one here before coming down to this zone. You could just come straight and break it. That's why it's trying to create more space. So what I'm saying again is foreign to you. You have all the courses there. Just go ahead and get many free courses. And I've said before, there are many free courses you can take to understand the basics of how to analyze the market. Of course, you proceed to the professional trading course to understand more like how the bank make this market. So what I'm discussing with you on this analysis is how the banks makes the market, right? That's why you see me using structure and no indicator on my chart. So I say it again. You see that we have this 1, 2. Can have like a 3-level to the rise there, and then we'll have like 1, 2, and then we'll have the next one 3 on this level here. So basically, we expect Ethereum to be falling for like a $400 down to the low side. So if you're going to be buying, you're going to be very conservative, just like I said for Bitcoin. Be very conservative in your buy direction so that you don't get trapped by these guys. All right, yeah, thank you for watching this. Remember that all our courses are already self-paced, so you can get a courses, take your courses, get certified, automated, right? And you can learn at your pace. Okay, I will also broke the courses down. I explained earlier. So just go ahead, click on the link, and then you get all the courses, all the things you need to get there. Right? Thank you for watching this.